TransLution standard templates can be purchased as a packaged solution with an entire database of functions, labels, queries, and reports. This reduces the cost and speeds up the implementation cycle, providing a solution with minor changes required. In this video, we take you through the TransLution standard template for PO receiving. To begin, we select the TransLution app and log in with our credentials. Depending on your permissions, you will see workflows you have access to. Here we select the PO receiving workflow. This opens a list of the receiving functions available. Let's take a look at how to receive on a purchase order. Select the Receive PO function. The first step is to scan or enter the PO number. TransLution validates that the PO exists in SysPro and is active. Next, we enter the delivery note number. Then scan or enter the receiving bin. The suggestion on screen now displays the PO number and delivery note number. TransLution validates that the bin exists in SysPro and the bin barcode is unique. Scan or enter the item number. TransLution validates that the stock code exists in SysPro and is on the PO. It also checks if the stock code is lot traceable. The last input here shows you the last scan, which is the receiving bin. Now enter the quantity you are receiving. The suggestion now displays more information as well as the remaining quantity on the PO line. TransLution validates that the quantity entered is greater than 0. The next step is to enter the number of labels you require. You can enter 0 if no labels are required. TransLution validates that the quantity entered is an integer greater than or equal to 0 and less than 100 to avoid wasting labels in the event of an incorrect number entered. We are then taken back to the scan item step where we can continue to receive or close the function if we are done receiving. We will now scan a lot traceable item to show you the steps. Scan the barcode for lot 100. TransLution validates that the stock code exists in SysPro, is on the PO, and the stock code is lot traceable. Next, enter the lot number. The calendar will now automatically open. Use the right arrow to toggle the months and select the lot expiry date. The next step is to enter the quantity you are receiving. You are once again taken to the print label step. Once done, you are looped back to the scan item screen. We are done, so we will close the function. Now let's take a look at how to adjust a PO receipt. Back at the PO receiving menu, select the Adjust PO Receipt function. This general grid will show you the details of the stock that has been received and not yet posted to SysPro. This grid will be used to review the stock received and adjust the quantity if necessary. Select the PO from the header that has your delivery note number. This shows you all the details of the receipt. Select the line you want to adjust. The quantity field is modifiable. Make your adjustment. We change the quantity received here from 5 to 4 and click on the Update Quantity button. The quantity received now shows as 4. Click on the Back button to return to the receiving menu. Once you are done receiving, you are now ready to review and post to SysPro. While this can be done on Android, we recommend using EasyTouch as you have more room on the screen. Log in to TransLution EasyTouch. Select PO Receiving from the workflow. Then select Post to GRN. This general grid will show you the quantity received by stock code. Select the PO from the header and review the lines received. The lines will show in different colors depending on the quantity received. It will display as follows: green if the quantity received is equal to the outstanding order quantity, yellow if the quantity received is less than the outstanding order quantity, red if the quantity received is greater than the outstanding order quantity, and white if the quantity received is 0. Once you are happy, select all the lines and click on the Post button to post to SysPro. The PO now falls off the grid. Lastly, let's take a look at how to return stock to the supplier. This general grid will show GRNs that have not yet been paid. It will be used to post negative GRN. Select the Return to Supplier function. Select the GRN from the header. Select the lines for the stock you want to return. In the Quantity to Return field, enter the quantity you want to return and click on the Post button. TransLution validates that the quantity is greater than 0 and does not exceed the GRN quantity. A live post is then done to Syspro to update the GRN quantity. We hope this has been useful and thank you for your time.